Hare Krishna everyone. I'm very excited for this year's Sri Krishna Janmashtami on August 12th, 2020. I saw banners on Instagram and Facebook for online Janmashtami celebrations by ISKCON Whitefield, and I just now received a link to it in my WhatsApp too. So let me go to the ISKCON Whitefield Janmashtami competitions page on iskonwhitefield.org. So here we are on the page now. And this looks really exciting. We have so many competitions for families and for different age groups. My daughter is 7 and she loves to recite shlokas. So let me register her for shloka recitation by clicking on the shloka recitation. So here we are on the shloka recitation page. We have a button for register now. And scroll for competition details. Here are the criteria for evaluation. Step 1 is to register for the event. Step 2 is to record your performance. Step 3 is upload your performance on Facebook, Instagram with hashtags. So please make note of these 3 hashtags. 2 hashtags are ISKCON Whitefield and Shloka for Krishna. Third one is going to be my payment ID, which will look similar to this, and my participant ID will be this part. A payment ID, something like this, you will receive once you make the payment. So let's go to step 4. This is very important step. Please make a note of it that once you make the payment and you have uploaded, you have to come back to this page and report it using Report Now button. Step 5 is to anticipate an acknowledgement from the team, and step 6 is results. So let's go ahead and register. Let's click on next. Enter the participant details, age group, school name, city is Bengaluru, my phone number, and email ID. Make sure that these details are correct because this is where the communication will be sent. Let's go and make the payment. So here are the different ways of making the payment. I will select card and enter my card details. Cardholder's name and CVV. And let's make the payment. Alright, so the payment is made, and keep a note of this page. I'm quickly going to take the screenshot. So here you can see the payment ID, which is going to work as my participant ID, and then it takes me back to the shloka recitation page so that I can check the details if I need more information. So we are back on the shloka recitation homepage. Here you can refer to more details if you need any clarification. Now let's go to my Gmail account where I should have received email from International Society for Krishna Consciousness to get my participant ID, which will be this part of my payment ID. I will quickly copy it to enter it as a hashtag. So now let's go to Instagram and upload my daughter's video. I will go to the camera and I will select the photos and videos which I want to upload. I will click on next, again next. I will write the hashtags and I will paste it. The other 2 hashtags which are here on the website, so you can copy it and paste it here, and then you can also select this option to upload on the Facebook and then click on share. Okay, that's done and it will take a while to upload. So now that I have posted my video along with the 3 necessary hashtags, I will go back to my selected competition web page and report the details. So in step 4, you can click on report now. It will take you to a Google form where you have to enter the necessary details. Participant ID, participant name, registered phone number, registered email ID, and where you have uploaded your performance. So you can select anyone, and then link of your Facebook or Instagram post which you will receive by going here. Once it gets uploaded, you can click on this, copy link, and you can come back here and paste it, and then you can submit it. So this is done. Now I have submitted all the details, so I will wait for the ISKCON Whitefield team to send me the acknowledgement and will await further instructions. I'm also very excited for the 48 hours non-stop Janmashtami celebrations on ISKCON Whitefield YouTube channel. So please go ahead and subscribe to it so that you can receive all the notifications. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.